programe prvú súťažnú kategóriu gala programu exhibícia Letenská vedecká tance. Štartovné číslo 1. Matúš Seger, Mária Ondrašeková, TK, doklad Renčík. Láska, ona ju prežila, bola zaslepená, milovala ho. Celým svojím telom, mysľou, dušou. Nevidela, nepočula, nevnímala. A on to využíval. Miloval ju, no vedel, že si to môže dovoliť. Vedel, že ona nikdy neodíde. Užíval si jej slzy a to, že môže ubližovať. Tešil sa z jej bolesti, bol posadnutý. Nevedel prečo, ale nevedel sa zastaviť. A potom sa to stalo. Ona zistila, že takto už ďalej nedokáže žiť. She used to be mine. Matúš Seger, Mária Ondrášiková ako choreografii, tréneri Matej Fred a Zuzana Seger.
She is hard on herself. She is broken and won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's calm. She is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine. You're not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite it all. With a girl that I knew could be reckless, just enough to get hurt, but who learns how to toughen up when she's bruised and gets used by a man who can't love, and then she'll get stuck and be scared of the life that's inside her, growing stronger each day, till it finally reminds her to fight just a little, to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone but used to be mine. Used to be She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine.
Matúš Seger, Mária Ondrašeková, TK, doklad Renčík. Ďalšie súťažné vystúpenie má